Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x square root of x plus y square root of y, where x plus y is equal to 19 and xy is equal to 9. From given expression x plus y is equal to 19, or x can be written as square root of x whole square plus y can be written as square root of y whole square is equal to 19, or applying formula a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus twice ab, we can write square root of x plus square root of y whole square minus 2 times square root of x times square root of y is equal to 19, or square root of x plus square root of y whole square minus 2 square root of x times y is equal to 19, or square root of x plus square root of y whole square minus 2 square root of, substituting the value of xy is 9 is equal to 19, or square root of x plus square root of y whole square minus 2 times square root of 9 is 3 is equal to 19, or square root of x plus square root of y whole square minus 2 times 3 is equal to 6 is equal to 19, or taking this negative 6 to right side, we will have square root of x plus square root of y whole square is equal to 6 plus 19, or square root of x plus square root of y whole square is equal to 6 plus 19 is 25, or taking square root to both side, we will have square root of x plus square root of y is equal to plus or minus square root of 25, or square root of x plus square root of y is equal to plus minus 5, or square root of x plus square root of y is equal to, this negative 5 is not valid because the sum of two square root cannot be negative, so it will be only positive 5, or if we take cube to both side, we can write square root of x plus square root of y whole cube is equal to 5 cube, or applying formula a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3 times ab times a plus b, we can write square root of x whole cube plus square root of y whole cube plus 3 times square root of x times square root of y times square root of x plus square root of y is equal to 5 cube is equal to 125, or square root of x cube is equal to x square root of x plus square root of y whole cube is y square root of y plus 3 square root of x times y times the value of square root of x plus square root of y is 5. So substituting this as 5 is equal to 125, or x square root of x plus y square root of y plus 3 times the value of xy is 9. So substituting the value of xy as 9 times 5 is equal to 125, or x square root of x plus y square root of y plus 3 times square root of 9 is 3 times 5 is equal to 125, or x square root of x plus y square root of y plus 3 times 3 is equal to 9, 9 times 5 is equal to 45 is equal to 125, or taking this 45 to right side, we can write x square root of x plus y square root of y is equal to 125 minus 45. So the value of x square root of x plus y square root of y is equal to 125 minus 45 is equal to 80. So this is the value of x square root of x plus y square root of y. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.